Okay, so this is day 3 of me posting one short form video a day. I have not recorded my first 2 days because I have never thought of doing it, but I think it was worth trying to record the whole process. So let me introduce myself to everyone. I'm Ju Hyuk. I live in South Korea. I'm just a guy who does shit. I don't even know what I'm doing in my life right now. So, to be a bit more transparent, I used to work in crypto, but I think I wanted to go through a drastic career shift because, the crypto industry, it's not the same as it has used to been. And I think I don't see myself making money in crypto right now. Meme coins are dead. It's all institutions. I mean, I guess if I'm very good, if I can like do some stable coin or like payments app, like agents, whatever, like maybe I can like join a team that specializes in these fields. But I don't know. I don't feel like crypto is that much exciting anymore. So I totally pivoted into something else, which is just talking about what's going on the internet in the world. And I think I have this crypto background, which is kind of like finance. Of course, it's nothing like traditional finance, but it does have some colors of it. So I have a mild degree of knowledge in finance. So my content would be about just startups, companies, like current trends, and I just start to post things every day. And right now, if you can see, my channel is getting 3 subscribers after 3 days. So yeah, this is my channel. It's Chud Finance. So the reason why I chose to do this instead of like vibe coding or any other thing that I can do is, first, this is my expertise. I create content. That was my job in crypto. And secondly, I think doing vibe coding or, like trying to pretend like I'm some sort of fucking, startup founder or whatever, I think that's kind of dumb. Because if anyone can make a product, if anyone can just ship an app in a blink of an eye, then what's the use of actually building anything? Like, it's worthless, right? It's all the value is going to be in marketing and distribution. So, hey, if everything is going to be in distribution, then why don't I just create a new channel? Because, like, my previous channel was in Korean. And I think, the Korean market, it has a very low ceiling, and people have been telling me to create an English channel since forever, but I don't think I was that much determined to do it. But now that I kind of lost my job, well, fuck it. Let me just go full on English and just, get out of the crypto market and just do this. So back to the point, I think trying to create apps and trying to make money off of it is not the most optimal strategy. Actually, I thought building the distribution layer, building a media layer on top of this new landscape would favor me much more. Because vibe coding, it gives you this false sense of productivity. It makes you feel like you're actually working, but you're not. You're just spending money on AI compute, and your return is literally zero until you really sell a product. But how are you going to sell your product? You need distribution, you need marketing, you need someone to promote it. So instead of trying to go into something that I've never done, I'm going to use my skills that I have been developing for the last few years and make it worth. And thankfully, I think some people are finding my content entertaining because I didn't expect my second video to have 820 views. You can see that this video, the first one, it has only 6. It was about Trump's family doing insider trading with their company called World Liberty Financial, and the second one was about Anthropic's Mythos, and this one is waiting for publication. All the 6 views is just me rewatching it. And I'm fairly surprised that people watched this video and 3 people subscribed to me. Thank you for my first 3 subscribers. And what actually made me more happy was 68.4% of people stayed to watch my video. I think that's a fairly good number. So I think I'm doing things right. So what is my angle? Basically, if you just go look at the video, it's me explaining things. I just, talk about mythos. I talk about the Trump family. I talk about, how the internet is fucking bullshit now. I just talk about things I find interesting. I think I'm connecting the dots in some way. In the Mythos video, I talk about how everyone is freaking out because of Anthropic, but George Hotz, like the world's most famous hacker, he says it's all bullshit. These 0 days exploitations, you can find them like any other day, but people just don't go around exploiting these vulnerabilities because basically it's illegal and you're going to be caught if you do so. That's what I basically told the world with this video. And I'm just guessing that the world right now is just paranoid because of AI. I think this video kind of made people more safe about these AI capabilities that they might, be used by bad actors, and it might bring the end to the world and everyone's gonna get hacked and like their phone's not gonna work and like Skynet's gonna destroy the world, that kind of stuff. This video was a rebuttal to that narrative. I think that might have been why people watched this video for longer. And if my guess is right, that means we're all tired of AI doomerism and AI FOMO. And I think this could be a theme. Like if my guess of why this video went well is right, then doing content or some sort of business that caters towards people who are more against AI could do very well. Because right now, if you go on Instagram or TikTok, YouTube, whatever, so many people are promoting AI. So many people are trying to make money out of fear. And I don't think people are not looking the other way. And I'm not sure how to monetize on the other side of this AI boom. Right now, the obvious bet is to just create content about, all this AI shit is bullshit, that kind of stuff. But how do you monetize this? Of course, you're gonna get ads. You can get like some sort of brand deals, like with people who are kind of against the AI hype train. I'm not sure what that exactly could be, but there are some obvious things. For example, creating an offline community, creating some sort of I don't know, write a book. I don't know. Like I literally have no idea what that would be, but if my assumptions are right, then doing an anti AI thing could really be a big business. Well, this is my first video. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know, just saying random things. This is my new journey. I hope you guys like it and subscribe.